Welcome to iSMART, Beginners Level Technical Training Program. And today we are going to see some important features in MS Excel. And these are the key points we are going to cover in this section, that is Introduction to MS Excel, some important features in MS Excel, how to align text and how to sort and filter data, how we can insert equation and formula, symbol, etc. How can we find sum and average? How can we wrap text? And why we are using MS Excel in our day-to-day life? Because it is a very powerful and widely used MS Office application which we can create, organize and manipulate data, especially numerical data. You can easily store and create and recover data by using an MS Excel application. And you can also apply some mathematical formulas to find some results. And we can move directly on to MS Excel. And before going into deep about MS Excel, you should know some basic terms or some basic features in MS Excel. That is about worksheets, workbook, cell, etc. And worksheet is a space which you can enter data. That is a space or interface you can enter data. So this is an example of a worksheet, and a particular worksheet will contain several rows and columns. And here columns are named as English alphabets such as A, B, C, etc. and rows are named as numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. And as intersection of row and column constitute a cell in MS Excel. And every cell in MS Excel contains an address. That is, for example, this particular cell has the address H2. That is the column name as well as the row name. Here the column name is H and the row name is 2. So the address of this particular cell is H2. Okay, then workbook. Workbook means collection of worksheet. So a particular workbook may contain several worksheets. And if you want to add a worksheet to your workbook, you just click this plus symbol at the bottom of the worksheet. That is, this when you click on the plus symbol, it is showing that new sheet. So by just clicking this, you can add a new worksheet to your workbook. And we can familiarize the ribbon in MS Excel, and this is a ribbon in MS Excel. As I have already told, some shortcut keys which are useful in every MS Office application, that is Ctrl C, which is used for copying, Ctrl V for pasting, Ctrl X for cut, and Ctrl B for making a text bold. And if you want to make a text italicized, you can click Ctrl plus X, then Ctrl plus Z for undoing any operation, etc. So these are some useful shortcut keys which can be applicable in any MS Office application. And these are some formatting options, that is, you can apply any kind of font style. You can create or you can give any font size to the selected text, bold, italics and underline, etc. And this is a feature available in MS Excel, that is, you can create border for any particular cell. Suppose I want to create border for this particular cell, that is register number, then I can choose any kind of border from this available list. So I am going to choose all border option, and you can see the difference. Just see the difference. Register number is the cell register number is arrived with all its borders. Okay, so you can apply any kind of border style to any selected cells. And you can also give font color to the text. And these are some alignment options. And one important option in this alignment is that wrap extra long text into multiple lines so we can see all of the text. Okay, so I have already applied register number wrap text to this particular cell, that is register number. See, before applying wrap text, this particular cell was like this, that is register number. The whole text is not displaying. So if you want to display the whole text in this particular cell, then you just select that particular cell and then apply wrap text so that the whole line, especially the extra long line, can be displayed in that cell as a whole text. Okay, then this is merge and center, and in every operation or every feature which are available in this ribbon or anything available in this application, if you want to just understand what this feature is meant to be, just point your mouse pointer on that feature so that you can you will be available, or you will be providing a description, brief description about what that particular feature is meant to be. For example, suppose I am moving my mouse pointer over the wrap text option, then a brief description is available, that is wrap extra long text into multiple lines so you can see all of it. And if I'm moving the mouse pointer over merge and center, a brief description about that particular option is available. So if you have any confusion or doubt regarding any of the features available here, you can just point the mouse pointer onto that option, so a description about that feature will be displayed. Okay, then we can go to this auto sum and some mathematical options. Sum is available, average, count, max and mean. Some useful mathematical formulas or applications are available. So suppose I am going to find the sum of all marks here, then I want to just select all these particular cells and apply sum option. Then the sum will be displayed at the bottom, that is 1482. And at the same way you can find the average, min, max, etc. For finding average, you just select all these values and then select average option available in the editing option. And you can also sort and filter this particular data according to any special column. So for that, select whole document and then sort A to Z. You can apply any kind of sort techniques like this, and you can also sort by using any kind of any particular column. You can also find custom sort here. Then continue with the current selection. Column F, according to this particular column I am going to sort column F and sort. You can specify the sorting order here, A to Z, values, etc. So let us all see all those portions covered in the previous session in brief. That is, I have entered some names here and I've entered 3 marks here, and if I want to find the total of Needu, so I have to find the marks, total marks. I have to find the total marks for M1, M2 and M3, and I have selected all those cells which I want to find the total marks or sum. Then I just click the sum option. Then in the total column I got 9 as a result. And the same way I can find the total of these particular cells also. Same sum option, and 13 is the sum. And if I want to sort this particular cell, just select all those values and then sort and filter. Just take sort and filter option from the ribbon and sort from A to Z, and then click continue with the current selection. I just want to make this particular cell in sorted order, so I clicked continue with the current selection and then applied sort. So it is already sorted, Neetu and Ritu, already in sorted order. Okay. Suppose I want to sort this particular column, sort and filter from largest to smallest, and then you just click from largest to smallest and continue with the current selection, sort. Then 6 and 5. It is sorted as largest to smallest. Okay. Then if you want to apply border to all these cells, then I am going to give border and I am going to select all border option. So all borders arrived for all of these selected cells. And if you want to insert a new column, just click insert and insert entire column. So an entire column will be inserted at the left of this particular column, and I have typed 1, 2, and if you want to generate 50 up to 50, then just select these two columns and move at the bottom right corner of the cell and then just drag. So automatically all the numbers will be generated. And you can also make this feature for creating alphanumerical text. For example, EKAQ BCA 001, EKAQ BCA 002. Just type two values, then just click and drag. Then all the numbers from up to 10 will be displayed. Just select those two cells, then move the cursor towards the bottom left corner of that particular cell, then just drag. So all the values till 10 or any desired number can be generated automatically. And if you want to insert any particular equation, just go to insert tab, then select this equation option, and then so many options are available, just such as fraction, script, etc. I'm going to just use this fraction, then dy by dx, so that dy by dx will be appearing here. Then you can edit this equation in any desired form, or you can select any type of equation. Subscript form. So there are in subscript form there are two squares are available. So I'm going to give as x raised to 5. So in the one square I have typed x, and the other square I'm going to type 2. So it will become x square. So dx square. So you can create any type of equation. And also you can insert any kind of symbol like pi, summation, root, etc. I'm going to add root symbol to this workbook, and just click on that particular symbol, insert that symbol, and close this interface. So root is typed here, root. More about equations. you can expand equation option, and you can take any kind of equation from here. Just go to insert and expand equation option. I'm selecting fraction equation x by y. So 2 squares will be appearing. So in that square you can give numerator as well as denominator. So that is about x by y, and you can also insert matrix to your workbook. So that expand equation option, then you can choose any kind of matrices. Some identity default matrices are available, so you can just select. So identity matrix will be available here. You can adjust its position on the screen, and you can also create equation on your own. So that for that you should select insert option, then take equation option, then matrix, then select any kind of blank matrix. I'm going to select this 2 by 3 matrix and adjust the position of the matrix in the workbook, and then give value in the squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have created a matrix with my own values, and you can create any kind of equation, or you can insert any kind of symbol into your Excel worksheet. Okay, this is the sorted order. So we can apply sort from A to Z, or you can apply any kind of custom sort option. So you can select any column for sorting that particular column, etc.